I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone sending green text messages. So when your iPhone sends green text messages, it means that the message was sent as SMS instead of an iMessage. So here are the most common causes and the best fixes explained simply. So why your phone sends green text instead of blue is because it's SMS. So make sure iMessage is turned on. Go to your settings, just tap there. You can see the search option right there. Just search for iMessage here and just tap on the front. And make sure this option right here that says iMessage is toggled on. If it's turned off, then it might show green text messages. It also shows green text messages when your internet is weak or missing or the other person doesn't have iMessage. Sometimes the issue is not with you. The recipient may have turned off iMessage or lost connection, or maybe the number or email isn't registered with iMessage. You can also try restarting your iPhone, which is a very simple but effective way, or you can try signing out and sign into your Apple ID again. You also need to contact the other person by other means and see if they have removed their iPhone or switched to Android. So in all of these ways, you can successfully fix iPhone sending green text messages. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.